It's a 2015 Acura TLX. Athletes have the best bodies, so it's no surprise this TLX looks as good as it does. Just wait until you experience its performance. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, all-wheel steering, external memory control, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and power heated mirrors. Road and Track explains the TLX's suspension is a high point. It rides extraordinarily well with perfectly controlled body motions and isolated impacts, and it remains mercifully out of its bump stops in all but the worst bumps. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.